Nylabone Advanced Oral Care provides easy oral care, leaving your pet with fresh breath and healthy teeth and gums. Features an angled neck for better reach and nylon bristles to clean between teeth. Toothpaste made with Denta-C, which is scientifically formulated to help reduce plaque. Comes with toothbrush, finger brush, and 2.5-ounce tube of toothpaste. Kit designed especially for adult dogs, with a larger brush that gently massages your dog's teeth. Toothpaste made in the USA. Product dimensions: out of package measures 7.63 long by 0.38 wide x 0.38 high. Preventative dental care lowers the risk of periodontal disease, that's why we created this all-in-one dog oral hygiene kit. Inside, you'll find an angled toothbrush that gently massages your dog's teeth and helps prevent plaque and tartar through mechanical action. The pet toothpaste features Denta-C, which is scientifically formulated to help reduce plaque. Plus, your dog will love its delicious original flavor. Slip on the finger brush to easily remove excess plaque and food debris. Vet recommended and pet parent approved, our dog toothbrush set makes dental care simple and convenient. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. I bought this to use on my 4-year-old GSD who has had great teeth his whole life but due to age, was slowly starting to get small traces of plaque on his teeth. It took some time for him to get used to toothbrushing, and the first time I ordered this I bought the triple head brush which he was not a fan of, so I switched to a regular soft bristle toothbrush I had on hand. My dog rarely gets human food and isn't a picky eater, so the flavor of this toothpaste didn't bother him at all. I also give my dog the missing link dental treats after toothbrushing, and they work hand in hand to help the plaque and also bad breath my dog has. We'll definitely keep buying this product.